Good morning. It is almost 7 a.m., March 11, 2024. Let's go right into it. The fourth ticker is on the headline of the video, so you know what we'll be talking about today. BTC. Oh my. I have my good to cancel order on for IBIT for 72K, and I just revised that now. For those that don't know, for E-Trade, when you put a good to cancel order, it does not take into account the after hour or pre-market. So doesn't matter if IBIT is over um, the mark on my sell order, it's not going to trigger. So I went in and revised it. Now I'm also being greedy. For those that follow me long enough, I preach about being disciplined, but I also preach there are time to be greedier, and this is one of those situations. Yes, my good to cancel order for 5% of my IBIT is at 72K equivalent on BTC. I revised it up to 70. Well, I revised it to 74K, and then I move the 74K that I had before higher, right? So it might happen. Can we get to 74K today? Who knows? But at least BTC is doing what I thought it would do when it got into this area. Instead of being fearful, I thought that it's going to consolidate. And yeah, I didn't expect it to go this high this fast. I would be lying if I say that, oh yeah, I knew it. I knew it's going to get into this 69 zone and bust right through. No, I thought that it will consolidate here for a while and then go. But we were there for 1 week and then boom, new all-time high, 72K. So yes, 84K is still the target, right? So now that I have revised my order, what I did was I moved one order up. To make it simple, I changed the order up. Okay, so instead of 72K to 84, now it's 74 to 86. That's the range, to keep it simple. And I will keep moving up that range if I feel that there's a chance that we can go even higher, right? So let's go back into 3-year chart to see. Yeah, see 3 year, you can't even do that. We're talking multiple year. Oh, this was all-time high. I just want to see that trend. Okay, yeah, we're in rare air. Okay, for those that don't understand rare air, right? So it's hard to fathom something beyond 84. We let the chart speak to us when and if it get to 84K, then we can talk about it. But the good news for me is, even if the order trigger from 74K to 86K happen, it still allow me to hold on to all the share that I bought here. As far as IBIT, the share that I'm trimming is the share that I add on the one nasty day that we had back to 62K. So no, it's a good thing. Let it run. Okay, I will still hold the original share that I have when I bought it down here. Well, yeah, let it run. Not much I can tell you. Let it run. So it's time to be greedy, and this is one of them. All right, Adobe earning is this week. It's definitely a stock to watch. It is at key support. What a key area. You have a confluence of resistance and then support, and then you get a 200-day moving average. Okay, so it's been riding the 200 days. I like it here. I own a few shares. Would I sell put or play the put game? First of all, after hour, you bet I'm gonna have order in to buy the dip starting at 5:30. Okay, so if there's any kind of wick move on earning after hour into the red flow of 5:30 to 5:28, I plan to put order in. I can't put the order in until uh, later today, but I just need to keep putting in those order. Okay, so 5:30, 5:28 is my area of buying the dip after hour. I'm looking to sell should there is weakness, and they, in Adobe pre-earning, I look to sell 500, 490 put spread down here, because to me that's a key area of support. See, from the AI move, yeah, it bounced 1, 2, 3 times basically. So that's a strong support. If that break, all hell could be breaking loose, right? But for now, I'm counting on that to be the key protector. So buy the dip, 530 down to 528, sell put spread 500 and below. That's the plan for Adobe into earning and on earning day and the day after. To me, that this is the stock of the week as far as earning is concerned. All right, what's next? What is next on my list of 4? I know Boeing is one of them, and then UNH. Okay, let's do UNH next. It is at a key downtrend support. To me, let's draw this in. Let's change this is the key. Can it break below? Of course. Okay, you saw it break below. Okay, that white line. From now on, I'm gonna try to change a key area into like a white line so that it differentiate from all the other lines on the chart. So busy, right? But look, see this white line? Yes, it has wick down below, but for the most part, you can say that it is a key support. Yes, yes, you're right, yes. So would I sell put spread below 460? Yeah, I think if there is juice for 455, 450, that's a no-brainer, right? Because look, that's a gap. There's a gap here at 450. Let's see, the gap is 454.9. So yeah, 455, 445 put spread. Yeah, yeah. See, or if you want to be even safer, and if there is juice, do a 445, 435 put spread. Then you get the 52-week low and the gap fill, as well as this major line of support here. So you got 3 to 4 level of protection below, right? But to me, if you want to buy share outright, have an order down there. Okay, to me, 466-ish, 467-ish would be the spot. It might ride all the way down there. Okay, when the confluence of this trend and that meet by next week, there's no need to chase it here. If I was gonna do anything with UNH, it would be to sell a 450, 440, or a 445, 440 kind of spread, right? If there's juice, hard to say until the market open. But yeah, that's my play on UNH. Boeing, which I like, I have been selling put spread for quite some time, especially over the past 6 weeks, right? I was bearish. For those that follow me, I did do a bear put spread up here, right? And then I close it here. Sure, could I have made more? Sure, but now since this ugly move down, I have doing bull put spread below 190. It has been 190 or below for the past 6 weeks. Okay, and would I outright buy the share pre-market? Look like it's going to be weak for whatever reason. I had to look at the news, but look at like 196.45 right now. Would I buy outright at 195? Yeah, I would have an order in to nib. Okay, that's the channel low, right? Would I sell put spread? Yes. Where? 185, 180. Okay, because there's a little very, it's not really a gap. Okay, but to me, yeah, it's not a gap at all. But to me, I, I'm staying out of the 190 spread for now, right? I have been doing 190 put spread for easy 6 weeks. Now it's time to go a step below. Okay, so 185, 180. But would I buy a share outright around 195, 196? I will throw in an order or two to nip a few share because it's there. Okay, that's about staying disciplined on channel low, self discipline on channel high, right? So yeah, it is there. We are literally a dollar away or two from the channel low. So on diminishing, the selling definitely is getting exhausted, right? Look at the volume. The volume had been pretty heavy for the past month, and it's getting down to the level where I think it's exhausted. Sellers are drying up, and I think the risk reward is to be long. All right, and that's it for this fast stream. Let's see what Bitcoin's gonna do this morning. Before I go, for those that trade Bitcoin as long as I have, since 2017, which is not that long, there used to be time where Bitcoin do crazy things at 2 a.m. Eastern time, something crazy. I would go to bed and wake up and see all kind of crazy wick up or wick down that I miss. But since the ETF launch, you notice that most of the big action take place between 7 a.m. and 8 p.m. Not that it can't go crazy. Bitcoin trade 24 hours a day. Yes, it does, right? But if you pay attention, seems like most of the crazy stuff happen between 7 a.m. and 8 p.m. when the big boys are behind the trading desk controlling the action. At least that's my observation. You may disagree.